So my mom thinks that I was adopted. She's not sure. But I'm telling you right now, I think I'm beautiful in my own way. Ah! Sorry, that sometimes happens. I have no control over it. Ah! Maybe, just maybe, I'm not adopted. I'm a beautiful creature. Ah! I'm really sorry about that again. I can't control it.
His mother. He has Tourette's.
Oh my God.
He has Tourette's. He cannot help it.
Mom! Mom! Tell them you love me.
I love you, son. I love you so much.
Just tell me.
You don't worry. He can't help it.
Do you see my resemblance? I don't think I'm adopted at all. I think we're the most beautiful family ever.
Sometimes I think he's adopted, but...
You talking to me? You talking to me? Wow. That's nice hair. That's nice hair you got there. Wow. Wow.
Wow.